Hello everyone! After the long time since the release of the AF feeder, we have received a lot of customer feedback. We are constantly improving every day to make the product more perfect. A standard set of our products will include a component reel holder like this. For this component reel holder, you will attach it to this position. Its limitation is that it can only hold one small component reel. Regarding large component reels like this, users have difficulty holding them. Understanding that issue, we have improved and added a more stable component reel holder to the IF12, IF16, and IF24 versions. Each holder will come with one aluminum part and two supporting rods. When in use, we connect the two supporting rods together using the aluminum joint and the available screw holes. Thus, the holder becomes longer and sturdier. This is a complete component reel holder after assembly. We will assemble it onto the feeder. This is a feeder with the component reel holder already attached. It is very sturdy and allows comfortably mounting large component reels. I will attach a large component reel for you to see. It remains very sturdy and can withstand force well without causing any issues. This component reel holder is suitable for both large and small component reels. If you are a customer who has previously purchased our AF feeder, if you wish to buy more or have a need, please contact us. We will give it to you for free. Thank you and goodbye.